this. A Hycooler Pro 50 dual one. And that's like a cooling and freezing element.
Zone.
Dual
the Z was
zone.
missing, so it looked like one.
Dual zone, sorry. It has 2 compartments and you can either fridge or freeze, cool or freeze. You can do both cool, you can do both freeze, or you can do one freeze, one cool.
Yeah.
It is very cool.
It's very cool.
It has a touch panel. You can use an app with it. So yeah, I'm happy because now at least I can stuff more stuff in my camp. No, the fridge is big enough, but sometimes I am just short a bit. So we decided to get rid of the bikes and to buy this instead.
Exactly.
Yay.
The box is very big, but the unit itself is not as big as that. It's just
Well,
the packaging.
we'll see.
No, I know it's packaging.
Here comes the unpacking.
You're gonna have a look, see what's inside. First time, open it all, get rid of the straps.
Are we seriously now doing unboxing videos?
It's like a present exercise.
It
Yeah,
is.
why not? Unboxing, I'm not that good at it. Just gonna do it. I normally do it. See, packaging.
And
Everywhere.
of course there's a lot of
Let's
packaging.
see. Yeah, polystyrene, lovely.
Maybe I can take that to the office. Throw it
It
away
is
there.
actually
It's big.
as big. There is some handles on here, I know.
Are you okay? You need help?
No, I'm fine. You can hold the box down there. Why do they make it so tight?
Yay!
Wait,
With a little help from my friends.
Box out the way. That's it. Okay, it's not that heavy. How heavy was it?
I can remember.
For the size of the thing, I thought it was going to be a lot heavier when you put stuff in it.
Okay, so show us the inside.
So, 2 compartments.
How cool is that?
Fridge, freezer, freezer, fridge.
Yeah.
Or both.
Or fridge, fridge,
Both
or
fridge.
freezer.
Or fridge, fridge.
Oh.
Freezer, fridge. Even has like a gimmick
Yep.
with a cutting board.
Yep.
And then on the side it even has a gimmick of a bottle, you know, beer bottle opener.
A beer bottle opener, and you can
What was the other thing
also,
as well?
yeah, you can plug your phone in. It charges your phone.
Can it make you breakfast?
Basically, people use it to go fishing or to go camping, and they take it with them.
Picnics, whatever.
And then you can also buy a little adapter with it, or a power bank.
Yeah, power bank, all that.
And then you can just take it. But yeah, I love it. I'm really happy with it.
Yeah. If you
Trev.
don't know your left or right, it's got this. R. I bet it's got L on it.
Yeah, I already see the L.
Oh, where?
To the right. Left.
Oh yeah.
To the right.
Yeah,
Left.
but they took the L to the right of the left.
And the right to the left to the right.
And the right.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
did you clean out the garage?
I did.
Did you make room?
I made lots of room.
Let's have a see.
Okay, what's in this box? Oh, that's all the power stuff.
Oh yeah,
So yeah,
not
we're
done
gonna
unboxing.
power adapter, 12 volt.
Yeah, it has 12 volt and
I'm rubbish at this, aren't I? And 20.
240.
230 here?
230.
Yeah.
240.
So, yeah, like you said, the fridge freezer in the camper, the fridge is good size. The freezer is terribly small, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then if you want to buy bigger items, you can't get it in there.
No.
And you have to sort of cram it in. It doesn't work so well. So
No.
this is a good addition. It's
Okay.
a good replacement for bikes.
Let me see it. Okay, we have an opinion about that.
I was busy in the garage again today, sorting it out.
Shush. Oh.
Now we have all this space.
Wow.
The light is on, don't work. So this space here is going to be for the fridge, freezer, fridge, freezer.
Are you not going to put it sideways?
I might do. Depends.
That's easy
probably
because
put it
then you
longer.
can get in.
Yeah, maybe not. Don't know. Haven't decided yet. But that's the space for it. And we have like our plug sockets here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Your dog is escaping.
Josie, come here. In. She wants to go for a walk. We'll do that next.
Yep.
Let's go.
I'm happy. Nicely done, honey.
Thank you.
So it's that time of the month again to defreeze. Look at that. And if you don't do that often enough, the fridge won't cool very well. Trev found some facts.
I've got stink eye because it's very warm outside and it's hay fever.
Yeah.
So I've got red eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, those vents in the freezer and fridge, basically it's the control of the whole cooling down of this fridge. It's not like a home fridge where you have temperature set. It's basically either low, medium, high or high, high. And those vents is what makes the freezer freeze and the fridge cool. So if they've got a lot of ice on them, it acts as an insulator. And when you open the fridge, even for 20 seconds, all the moist air goes in and creates more water, which then attaches itself to the back vents, and it does that, it freezes. So every now and again, 2 to 4 weeks, you have to keep an eye on it. And if it freezes like that, then you have to defrost it, and that's what we've done. So now we've got the extra fridge freezer, all our stuff is in there, perfect, and then we can defrost it without anything going off or bad. So if you've got one of these freezers, what make is it again? Thetford, is it?
Thetford, yeah.
Yeah, it's a Thetford freezer that goes in many campers.
Fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer. It's not temperature controlled, so you can't adjust up or down.
No.
So.
No, you can put it on 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5.
Yeah, 5. But it cools everything at the same time.
Yes.
But it does work on gas, works on electric as well. But it's a good fridge freezer. It does work, but I don't like it because you can't adjust temperatures and and it freezes up all the time.
Yep.
For more information, go online or your favourite AI, because there's a lot more detail about it. But it tells you, the thing I was shocked about, you can't have the door open for more than 15 seconds. You have to think about what you need before you get it out. Open the door, grab it out, shut it again.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it.
Trev's know-it-all.
Trev's know-it-all. Trev's tip. Trev's tip is get this freezer defrosted every 2 to 3 weeks, or as soon as you see ice forming on that grill, do it. It'll just burn through your gas. And we've used 1/4 of a tank of gas in 1 week. And
half, I think.
Or half even. Yeah, and that's way too much. We've not had the heating on.
No, because it's
the hot water doesn't go on either because it's too warm for it. And so I just boiled the kettle for washing up. So nothing is on apart from the fridge, and it's burnt through half a tank of gas.
Yep.
Which is way too much.
Yep.
Because of that.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Ta-da!
And it's done.
It's done. No ice on the back now.
Everything's clean. Oh yeah, freezer.
Freezer nice and clean.
No ice on the back.
Yeah.
And now I want to just do that, and then it's filled.
Sure.
Doesn't work. Why not?
Oh, it's because I have to do it. Well, we'll do it together, maybe. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
Oh, me again. Hello. Okay, so now another addition to our camper life is this. It's a smart panel. It goes on the front up here of the up there. Look, it goes on the front, and it's a view blocker. So it's different to the one I put up last time. It blocks out all the views, and it also should give some shade. We'll see if it works.
Yay.
The real reason is...
Yeah, the real reason is, here it comes.
If it's too hot in the van...
Yeah, which it has been the last few days. Misty's going into...
Oh, that's cute. We can double it up as a screen for our projector. And watch TV outside. Because why not?
Why not?
Yeah. Did you get her in there? Oh.
Yeah, she is there. She's
nice one, Misty. Okay, I'm going to just unbox this thing. It's not going to be like an unboxing video, so I'm not good at that. I'm going to tear it open like most people do. And inside, yes, pegs for the floor. That's the same as that one. I got a bit frustrated with that one, but now I've got the idea. This should be easier. Basically,
should
like
be
a canvas screen like this. It just hooks up there, apparently very easily. Same as that one, but canvas.
You dropped the box on our dog.
Oh yeah. I told you it wasn't going to be a very glamorous unboxing video. And that's it, I think. Yeah. The instructions are probably there, but I'm going to forget that.
You're going to do it as you go along.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it up. Okay, so I've got the first bit in. Up there, there's a little channel. It's not a how-to video, so I'm not going to bother with that either. Just to show you that it's up there.
Yep.
And it goes in there, slides in through. There's a little groove built into the awning, and then you should just be able to slide it along. But I have to reach up and slide it in.
It's a two-person's job, basically.
It really is, but you're filming, so...
Yeah, I'll stop filming and come help you. Yeah?
Wait, maybe.
No? Yeah, maybe?
Yeah, no.
Why are men so stubborn?
You have to help me. Put the camera down.
Okay.
We'll show it when it's done.
Okay.
Okay, so it's, the first bit's in, then I have to attach it to the ground. Looks like it'll go past the fence.
Yeah. I don't think you can watch any video on that because it's not block out.
It's not block out, no.
No, it's sunlight.
When the sun goes around that side,
you might be lucky.
at TV watching time, that's going to be okay.
You might be lucky. We'll see. We'll try it later.
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Alright.
For now, where do we put it? Middle, that side, this side?
Middle.
See where the shadow comes like this.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Going fine. Yeah, just putting the pegs down. And yeah, get a bit more shade in there.
Yay for me, because I'm very, like, prone to burn. Trev not so much, half Italian.
Nah, it's okay.
Hey,
Go brown.
you just get brown and darker brown. I go red and brighter red. It's not fair. Josefina. Look at her sitting in her tower. Looking over everything.
Queen of the castle.
Queen of the castle. That's really her spot though. She loves it there. She's lying on my bed. Good girl. Misty's rather be outside. Oh. Right in Bossy's feet. Misty!
There you go.
Misty's, how do you say that? She likes inside, she likes outside.
Yeah.
She'd rather. Misty, you'd rather be outside than inside. You're the queen of the outside. The real queen, don't worry, she doesn't know. Good girl. She loves sunbathing.
Today is washing day again. Just got all the bedding out just to give it an air this week. Next week it gets washed. Every other week it gets an airing. And so does Misty. In the sun again. As you saw last time. She goes into her pool for a bit. Then goes into the shade a bit. Then goes back to her bed again. I've also hooked this up because I've got the clothes washing in right now. And I've used this kind of camping wind up washing line. I also have a rotary one. You've seen that in previous videos. So I'm going to try this one out. Because as I got the awning out, it goes all along, end to end. Fits nicely. You can tighten it up because a lot of this stuff, yeah, when you've got clothes on it, it sags a bit. But once the washing's up, I can wind it up. There's a little handle here. There you go. You can see that there. And I can just wind that up. So once the washing's done in the washing machine, I'll bring it out, hang it up, and then you can see. Also, it acts as a bit of a sun blind. The sun is coming over this way at the moment. It's hard going into the sun. There is, the sun's over there. It's going to come around this way, and then I can just use it as a bit of a sunblock. We've got a little bit of sun in here. I found a shady spot next to the van. So yeah, let's hang it all up. Washing is up and drying now, and yeah, this washing line is doing pretty well. I noticed it has a big sag in the middle. I did tighten it a bit, but I feel the Trev's tip coming on. In the middle, you can put one of these bungee cords, a short one that just helps support the middle, keep your washing up a bit more. And yeah, there is some wind, but obviously while I'm filming, there's no wind, of course. Didn't have enough room for everything, so I used the dog run walls to place the rest around it. What do you reckon? Oh god, it looks a bit like rain up there. Washing will dry. It's kind of underneath the canopy. We'll see, keep an eye on it. Oh, I got lucky. Just bypassed me. Blue skies and fluffy clouds coming my way.
as you can see, maybe I'm at the office. You can still see my face. I've been sick and I'm still not better. You can see the big bags under my eyes. But I'm getting there. But Trev's been doing most of the cooking. Trev is there.
I'm actually editing this video right now.
Yes, he is actually. Just have to shoot this little talky bit, intro or outro or whatever you want to call
Wherever we stick it.
So yeah, it's only a small cooking session, but Trev cooked it and it was really nice actually. It was chicken burgers with sweet potato fries and a simple salad.
You can't go wrong with burger and fries, right?
Oh no, you can never go wrong. You don't have to expect those fries to get crispy, because they don't, but they're still very nice. I like the taste of them very much. So yeah, this week we're in the office. Well, every week we've been in the office, but now we're alone because Jeroen and Lisa left on holiday. Femke has a week off, so it's just me and Trev. So in the next video we'll show you a bit of that, of us working hard in the warehouse. And I hope you enjoyed this video, or have enjoyed this video.
Yes. We're going to put it at the end by the thing.
Okay, the boss has decided. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.
I've got to come in to do this bit where we say goodbye because it's quite quirky.
Okay, well, here it goes. See you next week.
Bye-bye.